semi-finals. Well done to Ebube, Ayanride, and Bilal. Ebube on 55 points, Ayanride 50 points, and Bilal on 45 points. This is the Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame. You have 60 seconds to give me as many correct answers as possible. If you do not know the answer to a question, all you need to say is skip, and I'll move on to the very next one. Do you understand my instruction?
Yes, Master.
Ebube, are you ready?
Yes, Master.
You're on 55 points. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Find the value of W in the equation.
3.
Simplify 3 over...
Skip.
Solve the equation 3.
5.
Correct. In simplify minus 63x squared over...
3x.
Correct. Make P the subject of the formula in the expression P minus...
QV plus D.
Correct. Solve the equation 4P minus 2P plus 2.
5.
Correct. Solve the equation 4x minus...
Half.
Correct. Make Q the subject of the formula in the expression FQ minus...
Skip.
If K plus 6 is 13...
49.
Correct. Solve A...
A is less than 1.
Incorrect. Solve the expression 1 over 2 minus W over 6 equals 0.
3.
Correct. Simplify 1 over 4x plus 3 over 4x.
Skip.
If P is plus...
30.
Correct. What value of x satisfies the expression x over 2 minus x over 4 equals
4.
2? Incorrect. If 3k is equal to...
33.
Correct. When 3 is added to x, the result is 5. Find the
2.
value of it. Correct. Twice a number added to 5 gives 11. What is
3.
the number? Correct. Expand the expression a
A
minus...
squared minus 12B plus B squared.
Correct. Solve for y if 2 over 3...
3.
Correct. If 3 subtracted from twice the number, the result is 7.
5.
Correct. Well done. Ayanride, I wish you all the best. You're on 50 points. Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Find the HCF of 8xy and 32x squared.
8x.
Correct. Solve for P if 3P over 4 is equal to 9 over 16.
3.
Incorrect. Solve for X.
Skip.
Expand 4A plus B plus 2.
4AB plus 8A.
Correct. Simplify 3x squared minus 2x bracket x minus x.
X minus x squared.
Incorrect. Solve 2t over...
Skip.
Simplify 3p squared minus 6p squared minus 3p plus 10p.
Minus 3p squared plus 7p.
Correct. Expand 2 bracket x plus 3 all squared.
4x squared plus 10x plus 6.
Incorrect. Simplify 1 over 3a.
Skip.
Solve for p if 10p minus 3p is equal to 12 plus 9.
3.
Correct. Simplify 5 bracket x plus 1.
11x plus 5.
Correct. Simplify ax.
Skip.
Evaluate the square root of 9
3 over 5.
Correct. Express 75,000 grams.
75 kg.
Correct. Evaluate
1
6.
over 36.
Correct. Find the square of 20.
2 root 5.
Incorrect. Well done. Bilal, you're on 45 points. I wish you all the best. Are you ready? Your Cowbellpedia 60 Seconds of Fame starts now. Express 0.85 as a percentage.
85%.
Correct. What are the two prime numbers between 60 and 70?
61 and 67.
Correct. Convert to...
DCCL.
Correct. What is the HCF of 12 and 20?
4.
Correct. What is the square root of 8?
9 over 5.
Correct. A woman bought an umbrella for 120 naira and sold it for 180 naira. What is the percentage profit?
50%.
Correct. Calculate 40,000 over 4.
100.
Correct. What is 3 over 5 of the product of 10 and 15?
9.
Incorrect. Multiply the additive inverse of minus 6 by the multiplicative inverse.
180.
Sorry?
180.
Incorrect. What is the reciprocal?
28.
Correct. Approximate 1.95.
1.957.
Correct. Well done. We have two contestants who are on 90 points, which means we have a tie break. When there's a tie break, I'll ask another set of questions, but this time is the 30 seconds of fame, where you have 30 seconds to give me as many correct answers as possible. The tiebreakers are Ayanride and Bilal. You're both on 90 points. Ayanride, I'm going to start with you. I wish you all the best. Your 30 seconds of fame starts now. Solve 3x minus y minus x plus 2y.
2x minus 3y.
Correct. Simplify the algebraic expression x over 2.
X.
Correct. If x is 5, y is 2, and z is 1, evaluate x plus 2, y plus z.
21.
Correct. Solve 5x plus y minus 4y plus 2x.
3x minus 3y.
Correct. Given that 22 minus y is equals to 40, find the value of
Minus
y.
18.
Correct. Find the value of x if 2x plus...
Minus 8.
Correct. Given that b is 16 and d is 9, evaluate square root of b.
12.
Correct. Well done. Bilal, I wish you all the best. Your Cowbellpedia 30 seconds of fame starts now. The product of x and y is 15. Find y when x is equals to square root of 9.
Skip.
Given that a is 6, b is 4, evaluate a minus b plus a plus b.
12.
Correct. Solve the equation minus 4 is equals to w over 8 minus 2.
Minus 48.
Incorrect. So the product of a and b squared is 32. Find the values of b when a is 2.
4.
When a is equals to half, evaluate a over 16.
8.
Incorrect. Evaluate x bracket minus y minus...
Skip.
Well done. At the end of round 1 and round 2 and the tiebreaker, we have, of course, Ebube with 130 points. Congratulations to you. Between Ayoride and Bilal, it was a tight one. It was a close call. Please remember that whatever they scored in their tiebreaker will not be added to their final score. At this point, the contestant that will be proceeding to the semi-final, joining Ebube with 90 points is Ayoride. Congratulations. Congratulations to Ebube and Ayoride. After the break, we'll find out which two will be joining them from the senior category. It's the first prelim in season 5 of Cowbellpedia. Stick around.